Solve 20x cube plus 49x square minus 36 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 20x cube in place of plus 49x square. Now we write plus 24x square plus 25x square minus 36 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 4x square. So here you get 5x plus from this 4x square out you get 6. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. Here you get 25x square and here you get minus 36 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is 25x square minus 36 equal to, in place of 25, now we write 5 square x square minus, in place of 36, 6 square. So 5 square x square is nothing but 5x whole square minus 6 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 5x, in place of b 6. So we get 5x minus 6 times 5x plus 6. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 4x square 5x plus 6 plus 1, in place of this 1. 5x minus 6 times 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 5x plus 6. So 5x plus 6 outside. Here we are left with 4x square and here we are left with this, that is plus 1 times 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Now 5x plus 6, 4x square, now you open up the brackets, you get plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is 4x square plus 5x minus 6. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 5x. So in place of plus 5x, now I write plus 8x minus 3x minus 6. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 4x. From this 4x out you get x, plus from this 4x out you get 2. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get minus 3. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 2 common. So here you have 4x and here minus 3. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 5x plus 6, in place of this 1, x plus 2, 4x minus 3 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 5x plus 6 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove plus 6, so you subtract 6. You get 5x equal to minus 6. Now we should remove 5, so divide by 5. We get x equal to minus 6 by 5. Now here, we should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get x equal to minus 2. Now here, first we should remove minus 3, so add 3. We get 4x equal to 3. Now we should remove 4, so divide by 4. We get x equal to 3 by 4. So the x values that we got are minus 6 by 5, minus 2 and 3 by 4. This is our answer.